Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your GitHub account to Claude AI. This integration allows Claude to access and work with your GitHub repositories, making it easier to collaborate on code, review pull requests, and manage your projects directly through AI assistance. First, open your web browser and navigate to claude.ai. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're using the correct email and password associated with your Claude account to ensure a smooth connection process. After logging in, you'll see the main Claude interface. Direct your attention to the lower left corner of the screen where you'll find your profile avatar or name displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with several options related to your account settings and preferences. From this menu, select Settings. This will take you to the central hub where you can customize various aspects of your Claude experience and manage integrations with other platforms. The Settings page is where all the important account configurations live, so it's good to familiarize yourself with this area. Once you're in the Settings section, look at the left sidebar where you'll see different categories. Click on Connectors. This is the section specifically designed for linking Claude with external services and applications. The Connectors tab displays all available integrations that can enhance Claude's functionality. In the Connectors section, browse through the available integration options until you find GitHub. Next to the GitHub option, you'll see a Connect button. Click on this button to initiate the connection process between your Claude account and GitHub. This action will trigger the authorization workflow. A new tab will open, redirecting you to GitHub's authentication page. If you're not already logged into your GitHub account in that browser, you'll be prompted to sign in. Enter your GitHub username and password to proceed. This step ensures that you have the proper permissions to authorize the connection. After signing in to GitHub, you'll be presented with an authorization screen. This page shows what permissions Claude is requesting and what it will be able to access in your GitHub account. Review these permissions carefully to understand what you're granting access to. Finally, click the Authorize Claude button. This confirms that you want to allow Claude AI to connect with your GitHub account and access the specified resources. Once you click this, the authorization will be processed and the connection will be established. And that's it. Your GitHub account is now successfully connected to Claude AI, allowing you to leverage AI assistance for your coding projects and repository management. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.